A very good morning, students. In the last practical, we have learned the different adaptations in the plant. Okay. Now today we are going to see the different kind of the adaptations found in the animals. Okay. You know there are two kind of the animals. Among these, some are the terrestrial animal and some are the aquatic animal. So children, first we will see about the aquatic animal, that is the fish. You well known about the fish. So there are some adaptations in the fish to survival in the water. Okay. So now we will see one by one what are the adaptations found in the fishes. Okay. So first observe this fish carefully and look the skin of this fish. Okay. If we observe this fish, then we found the skin is scaly. Okay. We found the scales on the skin. Okay. See. And if we observe, we found some fins on the body of the fish. Okay. We are not clearly looking, but see here. Okay. On the body, this structure is called the fins, which helps the fish to the movement in the water. Okay. To turning up or to change the direction, this fin helps the fish. Okay. Now I will show you what are the fins in the picture. See student, this structure is called the fins, which helps the fish to change the direction. Okay. And we also know the fish doesn't have the lungs to respire. Okay. So how it do the respiration? कैसे वो ऑक्सीजन लेती है? Instead of the nose, the fish has the gills. Okay, to breathe. Okay, see here. See this structure. This is the gills which use to breathe. Okay, fishes are use these gills for the breathe or for the respiration. Okay. Now, if you observe the body structure of the fish, then we found their body tapers towards the both its end. Okay, like a spindle. Means they are narrow to the end and to the here beginning. Okay. So its mouth is too small and its tail is too small as compared to the middle part. Okay. Why this fish has such a type of shape? Okay. The reason is that the whatever water is around, it can flow easily and the fish can move easily through the water. So that this fish has a spindle-like structure like this. Okay. It is narrow to the both end and bigger at the middle. Okay. So this is all about the fish. These are the adaptations which we found in the fish. Okay. Now we will see about the frog. You know, frog is the amphibian. It can lives on the earth, on the land and in the water also. Okay. See, observe this frog. What is the texture of its skin? The frog can live on the land and in water also. So children, when the frog is live on the land, that time it use the lungs for the breathe. But when it in the water, means inside the water, that time it use their skin for the breathe. It takes the oxygen from the water with the help of this skin. Now observe observe its leg. Okay. Its leg are long hind legs. Why? To take the long jump. What is the purpose of this? To take the long jump. Okay. Its legs is misbehave as a spring. Okay, whenever it want to take jump, that time it helps to take a jump. Now if we see the toes of the frog. Okay, observe the toes of this frog. If we observe, then we see it is the webbed toe. ओके, इसके जो टोस है वो वेब्ड है. देखो इनके टो के बीच में द थीन स्किन इज प्रेजेंट. ओके, सी द थीन स्किन इज प्रेजेंट बिटवीन द टोज विच हेल्प्स द फ्रॉग टू push itself through the water. Okay.